Hi all, this is Madhumathi from Assistant Professor Department of Food Technology, SNS College of Technology. So in this PPT, let us start with knowing about a few information regarding the parabolic dish solar collector. So you all may wonder what is a parabolic dish. So it is nothing but by the use of latest solar technology, like we know it is rapidly increasing everywhere by the utilization of this solar. So this solar power, as we all know, it is one of the renewable source of electricity, and also it is much reliable and also cost effective in every aspects. And also different interventions, they also revolve around the solar technology. And there are many technologies based on the solar energy. So let's see about something, the one technology that adopts is the parabolic dish solar collector. So what is a parabolic dish solar collector is, it is like it is described as an concentrating solar collector that comes in the shape and appearance that is almost similar to that of a satellite dish. So it is like a half concave, it looks like a half concave. And the difference with the latter, it comes in its forms and features. So it does have few reflectors like mirrors, and also has an absorber at its focal point. So this is a concentrating solar collector that will work by reflecting and focusing on the solar energy part alone, and it also uses the mirrors that are present like a reflection, or maybe it is used for the lens purposes. So this is like overall a small brief introduction about the parabolic dish solar collector. So in this picture you can see, as I told, it is like a as we told, it's like has, it looks like a satellite dish. So we can see it has a receiver at the center. At the bottom it is fixed with the two axis tracking mechanism, where the sun rays will fall on that parabolic part, and it gets it will be accepted by the receiver part. And that dish that is containing the solar panel is like in the form of parabolic. So this is just a a simple image on how a parabolic solar will look like. And for few individuals, they will reflect it as a point focusing collector, simply a solar dish collector. So this that is a system that will follow the sun across the sky and concentrates its rays into the receiver. And also, like, it does that with the use of computer and utilization of dual axis tracking. And also the receiver is often mounted at the focal point in the dish's front area. So like how the the solar concentrator work is like, how it just, the sun will reflect it will pass on it, and the receiver will concentrate and raise into the, that will fall accepted by the receiver part. Then by the use of a computer, or by any utilization by any tracking devices, we will be able to track how much of solar energy is being utilized. And the main principle behind, so in this picture you can see how the mechanism works. So the main principle behind this is, the collectors reflect the incident solar radiation into its focal line toward a receiver that absorbs the concentrated solar energy to raise the temperature of the fluid inside it. So this is the principle behind how a solar concentrator works. So this parabolic dish system, maybe it is known for their efficiencies in the conversion of the solar energy to the electricity. So in terms of electricity, they replace a much part. So that is with the fact that the systems can reach nearly up to 1000 degrees Celsius at the receiver, but still can achieve high efficiency conversion within a small power capacity range. So step by step process on how it works we'll be seeing in the next slide. So first what happens is the sunlight is being concentrated on a single point. Then the solar dish in a paraboloid shape collects the incoming solar energy from the sun. So after the solar energy is collected, that collected solar energy is then focused to a small focal point area that is positioned in the front of the dish itself. And that small mirror like reflectors will be used to concentrate the thermal energy to the heat absorber in the focal point area. So this is how the overall parabolic dish will work. So when we come into the applications of this, where it can be applied, so obviously it can be applied for various places where we can replace the generation of electricity. And also, for instance, it can be used as a cooker too. You can cover a small dish solar collector with aluminium as it serves as a cooker. And such kind of application does come in handy with outdoor activities like sun camping and etc. And also, like, it is however not recommended that you can use such type of concentrating solar collectors like for domestic hot water systems. And for starters, this dish solar collectors are more enormous and they don't fit a domestic setting. So such kind of this usage is not much cost effective and do not also have a very high operating temperatures. So therefore they can be recommended for some industrial applications because they require a lot of energy to be transmitted. So this is something about like a parabolic dish solar collector. Thank you.